Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable the search suggestions on Bing. Right, so you want to go ahead and open up any browser that you may have, whether it's Microsoft Edge, whether it's Google Chrome, Brave, whichever. Go ahead and open up your browser and you want to type in bing.com. Right, hit enter. Now once you're there, you want to click the burger menu on the top side here, and you want to go ahead and click on settings, and then you want to click on more. Then right under search suggestions, you can see that it's currently checked, so it's on. You want to go ahead and simply uncheck that, and then you want to click on save, and then it will be turned off. And that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.